Hello everyone, here I am with the most amazing set of locks that I've been kindly sent by the most wonderful gentleman that is Daz Evers. He's also sent me one of his homemade disc detainer picks, which is just a thing of beauty. Gonna really look forward to doing this proud, I hope. Well, hopefully I'll do him some justice, and it's just fantastic. I'm just blown away by the workmanship on this. It's fantastic. Anyway, what else did he send me? Well, he sent me one of these rather wonderful little American locks, which I've seen a couple of times for sale on eBay, but never really bought one. So I'll look forward to doing that. Obviously, it's non-removable core, which is great. And then we get on to the really scary things. This rather spookily spectacular IFAM WX. As you can see, it's got elements coming left, right, top, bottom, every which way. It's going to be quite scary to pick, but I'll give it a go. And then a Tessa T80, another awesome lock, absolutely legendarily lovely to deal with, like all Tessa's, fiendish. Obviously it's got bottom pins and top pins too. That's going to be a challenge. And then next up, we have this Matura C38. Again, very, very active lock. Got all sorts of elements. It's even got, there's a magnetic bit, there's a bit in there, there's all sorts of stuff. So they can be really quite scary to deal with, but I'm going to look forward to doing that. And then finally, because, well, no disc detainer lock would be complete without, so disc detainer pick would be complete without disc detainer. I've got this to play with, which I'm going to look forward to picking in a later video. So Daz, thank you very much for this. I feel really honoured to be the recipient of these wonderful locks and this amazing pick. Anyway, take care. Bye-bye.